Now today we will see what is TQM. What is TQM? TQM stands for Total Quality Management. TQM stands for Total Quality Management. Now see what is Total Quality Management. See, Total Quality Management means it is the continual process of detecting and reducing errors. TQM में क्या फोकस करते हैं हम लोग? एक TQM is a continuous process. TQM क्या है? Continuous process है for detecting and reducing the error. For detecting the error and for reducing or eliminating the error in manufacturing, in supply chain, in customers experience. Okay, in a customers, if you want to see improve customer experience, you want to eliminate errors in manufacturing. So TQM is the continual process of detecting and reducing error. So TQM is the continual process of detecting or reducing error. तो TQM का मेन एम ऑफ TQM क्या है? प्रोसेस इंप्रूवमेंट दी. TQM का मेन एम क्या है? प्रोसेस इंप्रूवमेंट. कैसा प्रोसेस इंप्रूवमेंट? Continual process improvement. Continual. Like see, take an example. Some application. The application doesn't stop at one version only. Version number goes on increasing, right? Take an example of mobile phone only. Okay. Like version number 10. Later on, it becomes 10.1 or 10.5 and then 11. So when version number is increasing, what you are identifying? Some features they are adding, some modifications, some features they are adding in that particular phone, right? So what they are doing, they are not stopping at one phase. They are doing the continuous improvement. What organizations are doing, they are doing the continuous improvement. See, continuous improvement is very important because technology goes on changing. It doesn't stop at one point, right? Technology goes on changing. So to meet the customer's demand and to match the market value, we have to do the continuous improvement. Continuous improvement we have to do. Okay. Like suppose I have manufactured one product, so I can't say that okay, this particular product will be as it is till 10 years. Okay. Agar if some changes arises in the market, version number changes or some features we have to add, customer requirements are changing, so we have to update that particular product. Okay. So main aim of TQM, total quality management, is continuous improvement. Continuous improvement. Okay. Now see, TQM means continuous improvement, right? Now let's see PDCA cycle. TQM processes are divided into sequential categories. TQM processes are divided into sequential categories. Okay. So what are the sequential categories in TQM processes? These are TQM processes. Okay. Plan, do, check, act. Okay. First is plan, second do, third one is check, and fourth one is act. So TQM processes are divided into sequential categories, and sequential categories are called as PDCA cycle. You can call it as PDCA cycle. P means plan, do, check, act. Exam the question can come like this. What TQM processes? TQM processes depends on which cycle. Okay, TQM processor depends on PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check, and act. This is sequential. Okay, sequential means you can't go from plan to act. Sequentially, you have to go from P to D to C and E A. PDCA. Okay. Now let's see what is plan. Okay. TQM means continuous improvement, focus on continuous improvement, and it is based on this cycle, PDCA. So first is plan. Planning means, see, in the planning phase, people define the problem to be addressed. क्या defining होगा? The problem to be addressed, then collect the relevant data, ठीक है, and then find the root cause of the problem. First क्या होगा in the planning phase? You have to define the problem. Problem statement you have to define. Okay. And after defining the problem statement, collect the relevant data. Collect the relevant data. Relevant data means from where the problem arises. Then you have to find the root cause of the problem. Okay. This is planning phase. We have to do the continuous improvement, right? So to do the continuous improvement, you have to plan. First thing is planning is must. Okay. Planning may we will come to know that what is the problem, then collect the information relevant to that problem, and then find the root cause of the problem. Okay. The next phase, do phase. See, do means in the doing phase. Okay, in the doing phase, people develop and implement a solution. क्या निकलता है इसमें? In the doing phase, people develop and implement a solution and decide a measurement to measure its effectiveness. See, in the doing phase, we will develop and implement a solution. Okay? Develop and implement solution means how we can resolve this particular problem. यही होगा ना? Okay. So people in this doing phase, people develop and implement a solution. A solution, we will derive one solution, okay, to solve the problem in the doing phase. Okay. Develop detailed action, plan and implement it systematically. Means whatever we have planned in the planning phase, क्या planning हुआ है? Problem statement we have identified, and we have identified the root cause of the problem. So in the doing phase, we will decide how we can resolve this problem, how we can implement it. जो भी planning में decided हुआ, how we now we can implement it. So we can say that in the doing phase, people develop and implement a solution. Okay. Now in the check phase, in the checking phase, people confirm the results. क्या उसमें होता है? Comparison. See, confirm the results by doing the comparison. Before and after data comparison is done. In the check phase, before and after data comparison is done. See, before means before solving the problem. Okay, before solving the problem, what are the results? Problem solve करने से पहले क्या results था? And after solving the problem, what are the results? तो checking phase में we are checking. क्या check कर रहे हैं हम लोग? कि before and after data comparison we are doing. Before and after data comparison we are doing. Before means before solving the problem, and after means after solving the problem. Okay. So before and after data comparison is there. So then only we will know na, whether we have solved the problem or not, whether it is working or effective or not. Okay. The checking phase we will come to know that whether we have implementing the solution in a proper way or not. Right. So comparison is must. Before and after data comparison is must. It is a type of testing. You can say testing. We are doing testing only. We are testing the data, whether it is working or not before and after data comparison. Okay. So third phase is checking. Check करने के बाद next phase is act. Now you have to act. See, in the acting phase में जो भी तुमने problem statement you have identified, then you have devised a solution also to solve that problem, then you have done the testing also, comparison you did it. Okay. And what you will do, comparison करने में result आया कि it is working fine. Okay. Or in some part there is problem. Positive or negative result we will get. Okay. In the checking phase. Then what we will do in the acting phase, we will document the results. Okay, whatever output we got in the by concluding this plan, do check. यहाँ से जो भी मुझे मिला है outcome, वो मैं एक्ट इन द एक्टिंग फेज में यू विल डॉक्यूमेंट, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इज देयर मींस यू विल रिकॉर्ड, ठीक है, रिकॉर्ड इज मेंटेन्ड इन द एक्टिंग फेज. So in this acting phase, we have to document the results and we have to inform others about okay, what changes and what recommendation is to be done in the next cycle. अभी साइकिल यहाँ कंप्लीट हो रहा है एक्ट में. इन द एक्ट फेज वी विल डॉक्यूमेंट द रिजल्ट्स, जो भी हमको रिजल्ट्स मिला है, फाइंडिंग्स जो मिला है, वी विल डॉक्यूमेंट दैट एंड वी विल documenting, we will inform others also okay, these are the changes and recommendations and these are changes and recommendations we can address in the next cycle, the next phase where we can do the improvement. Okay, like अभी देखो वर्जन नंबर चेंज होता है तो मीन्स वर्जन नंबर चेंज मीन्स इन द नेक्स्ट साइकिल, जैसे 4.1 है तो 4.1 वर्जन में प्लान डू चेक एक्ट कवर हुआ. ओके, एक्ट में मुझे ये पता चला कि these are the changes and these are the recommendations मीन्स अभी भी इसमें बग्स है और एरर्स है और कुछ फीचर्स ऐड करना है, so that we can do in the जो भी changes and recommendations है we can do in the next cycle means in the next version for example. Okay, so TQM जो है total quality management, it is categorized into 4 phases, 4 sequential phases, and that 4 sequential phases is also known as PDCA cycle: plan, do, check or act. Now see total quality management. In total quality management, focus कहाँ पे है? Customer. We are focusing on the customer. Planning. We are doing the planning. Then process. We are managing the process. We are focusing on the process management also plus process improvement. Total participation. Mean total participation of all the stakeholders, customers, employees and all the departments. Total participation should be there. If you want to do the continuous improvement, all the parties which is responsible for delivering that particular service, okay, should be aware of each and every component, each and every process. The total participation should be there. Otherwise, if total participation is not there, you can't do the continuous improvement, right? In total quality management, we have to focus on these key elements. Focus on these key elements. कहाँ पे focus करना है? Customer. We are focusing on the customer. Why we are doing the continuous improvement? Because क्या करना है? We have to give the good quality product to the customer, right? So we are focusing. Ultimately, we are focusing on the customer only. Then only that's why we are doing the continuous improvement, right? तो कस्टमर पे ज्यादा फोकस किया जाता है इसमें. TQM में फोकस कहाँ पे किया जाता है? कस्टमर. व्हाट आर द डिमांड्स ऑफ द कस्टमर, द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द कस्टमर. कस्टमर फोकस. प्लानिंग पे फोकस किया, हाउ वी कैन means planning means how we can solve that particular error. First we have to define where are the problem statement, then what is the solution for it. Okay, then how we can manage that particular process by using some techniques and tools. We can manage the process, then we can later on after managing we will see how we can improve it. Now we are managing means manage करना means improve भी करना है हम लोग को. How we can improve it and total participation should be there. ये कुछ key elements है of total quality management. See PDC and TQM दोस्ती ऐसा क्यों लिखा हुआ है? Plan, do, check, act and TQM. See PDCA cycle जो है, TQM is based on 4 sequential categories, that is PDCA. इसी पे बेस्ड है TQM. Plan, do, check, act cycle पे for the quality continuous improvement. For the continuous improvement, TQM is based on किस पे डिपेंड है? For the continuous improvement, TQM depends on PDCA cycle, right? Now see PDCA and TQM. The basic need of TQM is continuous improvement. TQM का meaning ही है continuous improvement. So in this competition world, if you are not in the race, you will lose. क्यों ऐसा लिखा है? See competition world means technology goes on changing, right? So in the competition world, if you are not doing the continuous improvement, you will lose the race, right? You know, you will lose the race if you are not doing the continuous improvement. If you are not learning any new technology, like see अभी online हो गया सब कुछ. So if someone is not changing up to the technology, latest technology, online, offline, तो क्या होगा? They will lose the race, right? अभी Zoom किसी को पता नहीं था. Zoom, we have started using Zoom. Then several things, Microsoft Teams. Okay, several other sites are there for creating a effective presentation. These all things we have started learning in online only. Okay. So we have to keep ourselves up to date according to the environment. जैसे environment में we have to keep up to date. Updated होना चाहिए हमेशा हम लोग को. हर एक particular in real life also. In taken real life example, in real life also you should be aware of everything. Everything means जो तुम्हारा useful things है, you should be aware of it. Okay. So for this continuous improvement purpose, PDCA cycle act as a best tool to achieve quality. तो for the continuous improvement कौन सा tool use कर रहे हैं हम लोग? PDCA cycle एक type का tool है, okay, to achieve the quality and to for the continuous improvement. One more thing very important, PDCA cycle is also called as Demine cycle. एग्जाम में आ सकता है ऐसा क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, PDCA cycle is also called as Demine cycle. नेक्स्ट पेज में लिखा 118.52 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय प्रीवियस वाला 77.14 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. ये आ जाएगा 108.05. See again explanation, I have explained it already. Plan to check और एक्ट का यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है. ओके, सी वी कैन गो थ्रू दिस. प्लान, सी प्लानिंग में क्या है? सेलेक्ट द प्रोजेक्ट इन विच TQM टू बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड. फर्स्ट प्लानिंग फेज में, हाँ अभी हम लोग वी आर एट प्लानिंग फेज. प्लानिंग फेज में हम लोग को प्रोजेक्ट सेलेक्ट करना है. प्रोजेक्ट जहाँ पे वेयर वी वांट टू इम्प्लीमेंट TQM. मींस फॉर एग्जांपल होटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, ये मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है. ठीक है, तो इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट नाउ सेलेक्ट हो गया प्रोजेक्ट. नाउ इन दिस होटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम प्रोजेक्ट आई वांट टू इम्प्लीमेंट टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट. क्या इम्प्लीमेंट करना है? टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट. मींस वी हैव टू डू द कंटीन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट. प्रोजेक्ट डिसाइड हो गया, प्रोजेक्ट में TQM इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. नाउ सी प्रोजेक्ट बैकग्राउंड, प्रोजेक्ट का बैकग्राउंड क्या है? मींस प्रोजेक्ट किस बारे में? तो मेरा होटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है. वाई वी आर, रीजन क्या है सिलेक्ट करने का होटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम? क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है कि कुछ मॉड्यूल्स इसमें ऐड करना चाहिए. कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट्स चेंज हो रहे हैं, कुछ वैरायटी ऐड करना चाहिए उसमें. रीजन क्या है सिलेक्शन का? कुछ रीजन होगा ना. That's why we are going to implement, we are deciding to implement TQM. Okay, then reason for selection, target क्या है? What is the target? Schedule ready करना, activities की when you are going to do it, कितना time लगेगा. Then current status क्या है project का? Before implementing TQM, what is the current status now? Then we will draw a diagram. ठीक है, diagram we will draw. Then we will prepare a hypothesis and verify most likely causes. Means where are the problem areas? Okay, hypothesis we will ready. We will keep it ready. Document the corrective action. But then what action we are going to take, उसका documentation करेंगे. Okay. तो ये सब प्लानिंग था. प्लानिंग के बाद डूइंग फेज में इम्प्लीमेंट करना है तुमको. क्या करना है? इम्प्लीमेंट दी एक्शन. ठीक है, इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करोगे? बाय गिविंग दी सी इफ यू वांट टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करना है तुमको, तो यू हैव टू ट्रेन दी एम्प्लॉइज. ठीक है, वॉट एवर यू हैव प्लान्ड आउट यू हैव टू फॉलो इट प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, डूइंग में ना, डूइंग में हम लोग को जो भी प्लान किए हम लोग को फॉलो करना है उसको प्रॉपरली. देन रिकॉर्ड एनी डिवीजन फ्रॉम प्लान एंड कलेक्ट द डेटा ऑन रिजल्ट्स. मींस रिकॉर्ड एनी डिवीजन फ्रॉम प्लान. अगर तुम्हारा कोई डेविएशन आता है प्लान से, कुछ चेंजेस आता है डूइंग फेज में, अब प्लानिंग फेज में कोई डिफरेंस आता है तो क्या तुम उसको रिकॉर्ड करोगे कि बाय डूइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस, तो देयर आर सम चेंजेस व्हिच वी हैव नॉट डिसाइडेड इन द प्लानिंग फेज. समझ रहे हो? प्लानिंग में जो डिसाइड नहीं किया है और डूइंग फेज में वी विल कम अक्रॉस सम पॉइंट्स दैट वी हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे उसको. ओके, Check means we will do the comparison before and after the results. What are the failures? What results we are achieving? It's a type of testing. Okay. Then act में एक्टिंग फेज में डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होता है. देन ट्रेनिंग, फ्यूचर प्लान्स, फ्यूचर में क्या करना है, कौन से मॉड्यूल्स, कौन से फीचर्स ऐड करना है. देन वी हैव टू make aware of other people also about the changes and recommendation that we can implement in the next cycle. Okay. Now see conclusion. Go through these points. Conclusion. PDCA is a powerful tool to obtain quality management in any sector. PDCA क्या है? Powerful tool है for the quality management. Plan, do, check, act. Okay. But it should be followed and implemented perfectly to see its fruits. Means हम लोग को properly इसको follow करना चाहिए, implement करना चाहिए. For example, planning में planning properly होना चाहिए, then doing, then checking and then acting. Okay, ये properly followed होना चाहिए. अगर if you are properly following, then only we can perfectly see its results, good results. Okay, positive results. So we have covered this topic, TQM, total quality management. Okay. Now everyone answer this question. Write in the chat box. TQM is based on which cycle? Write in the chat box. TQM is based on which cycle?